Over the next 20 minutes, it's going to count up to how much money we've raised. You're smiling.
Oh, the chickens.
Here they are, look.
Come on.
Oh, you're adorable. Oh, God, I love them. Just gives me a lump in my throat just watching that back. Clever. This just make my heart melt, this does. Raising money on TV reminds me of the telethons. Exactly. We call the emotional support chicken fundraising our cluckathon. I love it. It's those her pattern has had on us with coming up with the idea of the Olympi'hens. Oh, she loved the idea. Oh, that's brilliant. Always made sure that people knew where we got the pattern from and paying for a pattern. So that's actually Papa's 1, 2, 3, 4 has made my day. So there you go. You've seen the nest now. 462 quid from your Olympi'hens. And that couldn't have happened without you. So many of you watching now, you may not be live. You're just sat there. Jane from New York, she made one. She made Aruba and sent it in. She don't chat live, but she always watches on catch up. But so many of you in the chat here have made, Jimbo there has made one, Karen with New Zealand. It's just brilliant. So I hope you feel that your heart is proper bursting right now, because look, 500 quid. I'm stuck. I think we might have a slight technical issue. Just going to go up onto the here and have a look. Right, I'm just going to give it a smack. That might do the good job. Here we go. Oh Lord. look at that. Give it a whack. 700 quid, everyone. You've done it. Absolutely over the moon. The Olympi'hens are out there and they're giving wonderful, they're making everyone feel happy. You should feel happy. 700 quid to give to the nest. Absolutely thrilled. That's going to give a lot of, well, it could be a lot of chicken feed, it could be a lot of rosy apples, could be a lot of goat feed. I'm thrilled. So thank you very much. Thank you if you made a chicken. Thank you if you're watching on catch up and you made a chicken. Thank you if you're watching and you have happened to be in the village and you bought one. The Olympi'hens have gone, and that chapter of what we've done over the summer of 2024 can now go be confined in history books and be a wonderful, wonderful memory.